Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the real scoop on the products that claim to make parenting a little easier. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best non-slip baby feeding suction plate on the market. The WeeSprout suction plates with lids for babies and toddlers. Let's get into it. From the moment you unbox the set, you can feel the difference in quality. These plates are made from 100% food-grade silicone. No fillers, no cheap plastic parts, just pure, durable silicone that feels smooth, thick, and reliable. This material is a game-changer for parents tired of cracked or broken plates. It's both microwave and dishwasher safe, which means fewer dishes and less hassle at mealtimes. But the real hero feature here is the 4-point suction system. Most suction plates rely on a single suction cup at the base, which toddlers quickly figure out how to outsmart. WeeSprout took a smarter approach. Each of these plates has 4 independent suction points that grip flat surfaces like a champ. Once it's down, it's not going anywhere. At least not until your child is done eating and you're ready to lift it off. That makes mealtime less messy and a lot less stressful. Now, if you're a parent to a picky eater, and let's be honest, most of us are, you'll appreciate the thoughtful divided design of the plates. With 3 separate sections, kids who don't like their food touching can enjoy a more pleasant experience at the table. And it's not just about preventing tantrums. The raised edges of each section help your little one scoop up their food more easily, encouraging independence and motor skill development during meals. One of the most underrated features is the inclusion of the hard plastic lids. And no, these aren't flimsy or soft silicone toppers. These are sturdy, stackable, clear lids that let you store meals, save leftovers, or prep food in advance. That alone turns these plates into mini food containers, meaning less food waste and fewer containers to clean. You can toss them in the fridge, identify what's inside at a glance, and stack them neatly. It's the kind of small feature that adds a ton of convenience. And yes, let's talk about looks, because these plates aren't just functional, they're stylish too. The set comes in a soothing trio of matte dark gray, blue, and green. Perfect for modern parents who appreciate design that fits into their kitchen aesthetic. This product is also a winner when it comes to safety. No BPA, no phthalate, and no questionable materials. Just a solid, unbreakable, baby-safe plate designed to survive the chaos of toddler life. WeeSprout has earned praise across parenting communities, and in 2023, it was even voted Best Baby Suction Plate by The Bump. That kind of endorsement doesn't come lightly, and after putting it to the test, it's easy to see why. To wrap it up, the WeeSprout suction plates with lids offer a rare combination of durability, thoughtful design, safety, and parent-approved practicality. If you're looking for a non-slip, divided plate that genuinely stays put, doubles as food storage, and stands up to daily use, this one's a clear winner. That's it for today's review. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more honest product critiques, and drop a comment. If you've tried these plates or have a favorite baby product we should check out next. Thanks for watching Product Critique. See you in the next one.